Hello friends, welcome to Unirac. In this video we'll cover SQL interface and sys backup privilege. 12c new feature Oracle database. There are new enhancements and additions in your recovery manager. RMAN we use for backup and recovery. This RMAN still continues to enhance the extent and reliability, efficiency and availability of Oracle database backup and recovery. I'll be explaining the new features and how it's going to help using SQL interface improvements and sys backup privilege. In Oracle 12c, you can run even SQL commands in RMAN without preceding the command with the SQL keyword. You don't need to enclose the SQL command in quotes. So using RMAN, we can start the instance, we can shut down the instance, we can use alter commands, SQL commands without any quotes. So this is one of the SQL interface improvements in RMAN from Oracle Database 12c. We can describe even a table structure. Same how we work in SQL Plus, we can execute the statements in RMAN now from Oracle Database 12c. You can connect your database using RMAN target /. Getting connected to the database, you can see connected to target database prod. I have a table from scott.emp. I can describe the table using describe scott.emp. You can see the table structure, so we can describe even table structure. We can create a table. We can of the scott.emp one example. I'm going to create enumber format. So enumber, employee number and employee name, varchar 235, emp1 is a table of Scott schema reading from RMAN. The statement process, the table got created. Without any SQL code or SQL prompt, we have run the SQL command create table from RMAN. We can describe this table, it exists or not even. The table exists. Even we can shut down and start up. Let's see how to shut down now. It's getting shut down. It's got shut down, and we can start your instance using startup. It's connected to target database and trying to start your instance from RMAN. You can verify it's up and running. The database is up. So we have seen how to start, how to shut down, how to create table, how to describe a table. We can run SQL statements using RMAN interface. So this is one of the improvement in RMAN. And going back to sys backup privilege. So prior to 12c, users need to have sysdbf privilege to back up the database. But from 12c, we have a new privilege, sys backup. This allows the users the permissions to perform only backup operations. The sys backup privilege allows the DBA to perform rman backup commands without additional privileges. So this is a new role in 12c which you can segregate the administration and backup operations. So sysdba has administrative privileges and sys backup has only backup operations. So we have been segregated sysdba and sys backup using two roles, sysdba and sys backup. So to connect to rman using operating system authentication with the sys backup, we can use rman target / sys backup. So we have connected with the role sys backup privilege. The / dependency of sys user, the operating system authentication. Commonly we use a sysdba prior to 12c. Example we can show you even. You can connect to operating system authentication as sysdba as well. But this is prior to 12c, commonly we use sysdba. But now the role has been segregated with sysdba. Better always use sys backup. We can also explicitly connect using rman target /. This default, it connects to that. It's connected to target database. So sys backup does not include any data access privilege such as select any table. Specifying with sysdba you have access to entire database, but sys backup is only for backup operation management. So we have been segregated, so always use sys backup. We have shown SQL interface improvements and sys backup privilege in rman. So we have done with the session. Thank you all.